Hello, some gardening, of today, gardening 2023. I am in the garden and I'm going to show the results with pepper. I have less pepper pots now, but I plant it all year round, and I have different stages at the same period. I will show. This small one is just a seedling. A bigger one, some kind of fruit. Pepper bell is here. Abkhazian one is red. Got one here and another one somewhere here. They are green, they are getting red. Some of those ones are even dried. One is red and it is okay, and a lot of dried ones. And there are two plants as if they are having autumn now. I will show. This one with a lot of fallen leaves. I guess I need to fertilize it. This one was blooming not long ago, but while I was preparing to make a video, this process is already over. But you could see after the blooming a new fruit is going to grow, and those seedlings are too big. I guess I need to replant them, and you could see I put them for fun just next to the orange or lemon, something citrus. New peppers in the ground, not in the pot. So it was my pepper report from the bricks gardening. My dill in some kind of bowl tank, bathroom tank. My parsley, my tomatoes, my experiment, cucumbers in the bucket, cucumbers in the greenhouse, but they are smaller than outside. They are much smaller. My mixed bed, tomatoes in the bricks with flowers next to flowers. Now I need to water my garden. And thanks for watching me doing my experiments.